quieter side of Mumbai. Yes, we are at Kandivli's, at Pezzo's. What makes this Mexican place different than any other is that it's desi. Pezzo has a speciality in reimagining Indian and Mexican cuisine and blending them together to create a unique taste. Let's go inside. This looks beautiful, doesn't it? Today we're at Pezzo's in Kandivli, and what makes this place different than any other Mexican restaurant is that it's desi. Pezzo has a speciality in reimagining Indian and Mexican cuisine and in blending it together to create a more unique taste. It's totally vegetarian, and if you're a friend of the shisha, this is what Jannat looks like.
Here you can find a different kind of a cuisine. There they have blended the Mexican food into Indian food, where you can find dishes like Kolhapuri Kasidia, Masala Nachos Papad, Makhani Pizza and Malwani Paneer Tikka Pizza, and finally Pani Puri Shots.
Let's bring it on. So finally food's here. Let's check it out.
What we have Kolhapuri Kasidia, Masala Nachos Papad, Pav Bhaji Brochetas, Nanza, Dal Makhani Fondue with garlic naan. That looks amazing.
And this is the twins fries. Remember when your mama told you that you can either have the peri peri fries or the cheesy fries? I say, why the hell? Why not both? So this is what you have.
Here you have blended peri peri masala with cheese, and here you get cheesy fries.
And what's this? What's this? This looks interesting.
This is Kolhapuri Kasidia, where the Mexican make Kasidia, in Indian make Kolhapuri vegetables. So they mix both the things together, and here you have this Kolhapuri Kasidia. So look yummy, huh?
Desi Mexican.
Desi Mexican. Amazing. Look at the spice of Kolhapuri masala plus cheesiness. It's the first time I think I'm trying this kind of thing.
You're tempting me now.
You should try it.
Let's move on to the next thing.
Yeah.
So this looks like a papad, but which is like makeup wala papad.
Here you have
What's this?
Mexican papad, like nachos with Indian masala version.
Okay, this is nachos, the Indian version.
Indian version, masala papad. So let's try it.
Yo, let's try it. Yes, good. It's good. It really does taste like nachos, but it has an Indian twist. It has an Indian masala taste.
You can try with salsa, I think. Yeah.
Let's try again. Bite 2. Much better. Much better with the salsa. Much better.
So we have a lot of food.
We have a lot of food. We have a lot of food.
So we can try this thing also. This is bruschetta.
This is the fanciest plate on the table.
Yeah, this is bruschetta, but the topping of pav bhaji.
Okay, it's a bruschetta, but it has a pav bhaji on top.
Yeah, so you can try it. Let's try it together.
Cheers.
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 My God, this is
You never
amazing.
tried this. Means
I've never had it.
you have pav bhaji when they soak the pav in butter. It's a very soft thing. You get a crunchiness of pav and pav bhaji. Plus you get cheese.
Wow.
That's amazing.
It is amazing. It is amazing. It is really. So let's move on to this. It looks like a pizza.
Look like a pizza, but the base is naan. This is also an Indian version. We have different Indian things which are mixed with Italian and Mexican food, and you can have something new.
It's fusion.
in the menu.
Fusion.
It's a fusion. That's right.
So what's this?
This is paneer tikka nanza. You have paneer
Paneer tikka with naan on top.
naan on top.
Okay. Let's try. I have naan bread and paneer tikka on top, but it also has Mexican spices, which give it a very different taste, which I've never had before.
Next we have naan makhani, fondue. You have the flame going on, so you can have continuously warm of the food.
A fondue is basically a dip, a cheese dip,
Cheese dip.
and this is a paneer makhani.
Yeah, not paneer makhani, it's a dal makhani.
It's a dal makhani fondue.
So here we have it with the breads. Here you have garlic naan.
Oh, it's garlic naan.
You can
Let's
try
try.
it with this. Yeah.
Yeah, let's go. Good. First bite.
It's all over. I also love it.
It's all over me and I love it. Oh yeah. It really is. Nice. I love the way I really like the way they have blended Indian and Mexican cuisine.
Presentation is also.
And it's tasty, it's amazing, it works. It's different, but it works. And the pizza is here.
Finally, we have got the makhani pizza, where you have, instead of tomato sauce, they use makhani gravy and cheese. It's like a margarita, but it's makhnita.
Makhnita. It's a makhnita.
You can try it.
My God.
Look very yummy, yeah.
This looks
Cheesy.
wow. I need to try this.
Amazing. So rich, actually. Makhani gravy is very rich. So
It has a very rich, scrumptious taste.
yeah. Amazing.
Amazing. And now for the grand finale, we have Pani Puri shots. So what is this?
This is basically pani puri with some of nitrogen and dry ice. Look amazing, no?
And what's this for?
This is How you like it? Sweet or spicy?
I like it sweet and spicy.
Yeah, so we have this thing for sweetness, the down thing.
You mean to say
We have to
something is wrong?
give us.
आपको
Try it with this pani. This is the pani. This is the pani.
Okay.
रोशनी सरल हो जाती
आप तो रोस्टी को जानते हैं ना?
Wait a second. Wait a second.
I can't wait, man.
Patience, patience.
Oh, it's little messy, yeah. But it is amazing. Yeah.
Okay.
Cheers.
Bottoms up.
अरे हाँ अब वो
Wait, this is good.
Delicious.
कितने अजीब लग रहे हैं लोग
It's sweet, spicy. A little bit even savory.
Savory, yeah. Spicy, savory, and you can have sweet here. How much you want? We can measure it.
You can measure it.
It's something unique, yeah.
So let's just have a shot.
Shot.
Let's have a shot.
I like it sweet, huh? You like it sweet?
Yeah, sure.
What up, sir?
और ये रोशनी सर
You want to have a Italian food authentic, but Indian people don't like it because they like chatpata kind of things. Whereas they have blended the chatpata Indian spices into Italian kind of thing, like pizzas, nachos. You can get everything here.
It is hope.
Basically.
You can get everything. It has a different taste. If you feel like it, like you want to have something different, something unique, this is the place to come. Pezzo.
Pezzo
Pezzo.
at Kandivali.
So now it's going to be a wrap. Thank you guys. You guys have been very kind. Thank you so much. You have been very kind. You have been very helpful. This was an amazing experience, not because of the food, but mostly because of you guys. You have been so helpful. Thank you so much.
Yeah, we are done with the Pezzo today and had some amazing food. Indian mix of Indian and international cuisine. What do you have to say about this, Jay?
I think that the savory, scrumptious starters, the subtle spices, the sublime sweets, and the splendid service will always leave you satisfied but also salivating for more. Earning this place not only our respect but also the badge of swagger.
So here we are done with Food Trek
Mumbai.
Bye.
And this is Pezzo.
Pezzo.
Thank you guys.
Thank you guys. Keep watching us.
We love you. Three, two, one. Hey guys, we hope you liked our new video. We had an amazing time making it and I hope you had an amazing time watching it. Let me introduce you to the team. This is Siddhant Rane, this is Viraj Paste. These are the guys who work the camera. You know him, this is Atif Sheikh, my co-host. We have made a new show named Food Trek India for foodies. And if you like us, if you like our videos, please like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel.
Okay, cut.